where will Candon in 2026 be his year? Gusto nito ni Juan Gomez de Leaño. Sandali lang, huwag muna si Marcio. Siya muna ang pagkwentuhan natin dito. Ganda ng run kanina no, ni JGDL, 22 puntos. Triple tie sila for second place.
Ito na si Juan GDL, partner.
Did he go to the wrong side? Parang usog, ano? Everybody all quiet all of a sudden. You can hear a pin drop here. Tension in the air, Jolly. Even all of the superstars watching on the sideline, medyo tinitignan ang ginagawa dito ni Juan.
Moneyball rack sa may tawag tuloy para dito kay Juan
Naku,
GDL.
masakit to, Jolly.
Puro miss, ano? Yung
Isa, nakakuha, nakasalvage na isa sa dulo. 9 points so far. 3 ball, no. Juan's gonna have to string these together. Because 10 might not just be good enough to win it all. At 22 in the first round. He's got 12 heading into the final rack, 6 points available. Took care of the first 2. Third one good. All kinds of time on the clock. Needs this one for 18. Bang! Nice recovery in the end there para dito kay Juan.
finals na rin talaga to. Maguna 3-point shootout. So talagang the pressure is up. Nakita natin, and you mentioned it, di ba, struggle yung mga ilang unang mga racks niya. Mabuti, medyo naka-recover sa may bandang dulo. Ito, makikita natin, Juan Gomez de Leaño. And evidently counted naman hanggang dito yung ganyan, yung tulong money ball para kay Juan.
Great recovery in the end para kay Juan to keep him in the thick of the chase. 18 is the number to beat here in the final so far. It is good. Marcia na muna tayo with Karakut and Misi. Still to follow. And Marshall will leave that money ball rack. As you mentioned, doon na naman sa dulo. And he will be starting from that right pocket. 25 was his score in the first round. Cold start for Marshall. Takes care of that third one. And mabilis na turn the tide nila si Turto. 5 in a row. 6 in a row. 7 in a row. Marcio! Oh!
Ilan in a row yun? 9?
9 in a row, if I'm not mistaken. And he's got 15 points now. 18 the number to beat. And he ties. 1. This one for the lead. 2 racks to go. Lassiter burning the nets in Candon. Ang haba pa ng oras dito. 15 seconds in the last rack. Marcio 25.
Napatayo si Chapek Aguilar sa mga pangyayari.
Marcio! Nanlamig sa dulo, but he matches his performance from the preliminary round.
Still very, very good with those 25 points. Yun lang, yung bandang dulo lang, that money ball rack. I think he had 1 of 5. Hindi ako nagkakamali, pero yeah, still a very good number. 25 puntos para dito kay Marcio Lassiter.
He had all kinds of time, pero baka napagod. Baka napagod na sa dulo. Ang haba pa ng oras, he got there with 15 seconds to go, Jolly.
Jerica Hanmisi will prep yung mga bola.
Hanmisi scored 22. Earlier on, siya rin po ang nanalo ng obstacle course natin dito sa Candon. His trophy is plaque sitting right in front of us here. Iniwan dito sa atin, pinabantayan kay Escobar. Hindi niya alam, klepto to. Pinabantayan kay Jolly. Dodoblehin daw niya bago tayo umuwi ngayon.
Saya, no? Para lang nasa mga ligang barangay tayo. Di ba, pinapatago. Yung t-shirt ko makihawak nga muna. Parang ganun na, pinahawak. Jerica Hanmisi, champion po siya.
Yes, medal pa, no?
May medal po.
Here we go. He wants to be a double winner, Jolly. And he's off to a nice start. 3 for 3 so far. Hanmisi knocks home the money ball. He's stroking it right now. Misi's feeling it. Misi with 13 through 2 rounds.
Oh!
16 halfway through. Dude is on it, Jolly.
Para sa akin, that's a very dangerous going in Jerica Misi against Marcio Lassiter. Tingnan natin.
This is going to be a ridiculous number.
Goodness.
Misi getting all the superstars up on their feet. 17 seconds left.
Lots of time.
29 already. Nauubusan din ba sa dulo? 30-point performance for Jeric Misi. Wow.
Goodness.
Misi came to play on this PBA All-Star Friday. He becomes a double winner.
Well, he shoots that at a very, very high clip. Nakikita natin sa partner, di ba? Magu yung sa mga regular season natin. 30 plus 40% from 3-point area, 4-point area. Maganda rin ang kanyang percentage at nakita natin.
My goodness, Jeric Misi. He was staring at a 25-point performance. He was staring at a 25-point performance from Marcio Lassiter. Sabi niya, hold my beer. Don't care. 25,
Relax lang kayo.
easy. Diba? That is a big-time performance mula dito kay Jeric Misi ng Terra Firma Jeep. Nanalo na siya ng obstacle course kanina. And look at him in his feelings right now, Jolly. What an All-Star Friday for Jeric
You
Misi.
pretty much called it, my friend. Sabi mo, nilalagay niya yung plaque dito kanina. Sabi mo kanina, magdadala ka ba ng isa pa? At eto nga, nagdala nga ng isa pa. Etong si Jeric Misi. Magu Marshall is holding on to the plaque right now.
I want him to get that picture, both of them. I want him to get the picture of his 2 plaques. Papabot natin kay Camille, kay Misi, para makuhanan yung 2 championship niya. Pasok mo doon, Camille. Yan. Both of them. Jeric Misi, a 2-time winner ngayong PBA All-Star Friday. This guy came to play. What a show he put on.
Alam mo, partner, yung value ng isang player, kahit mga All-Star games, ito All-Star, ito mga shows natin, yung value nila tumataas pa rin dito, di ba? Teams will see that this kid can really bury it, di ba? From the 3-point area, 30 points.